Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we have, well, Dylan's friend is here and he's gonna be staying with us for a day, and then this is his first time in London. Planish, you want to say hi?
Hi!
Dylan, where are we going?
And he said he wanted to do touristy things, so we're gonna go around London and show him a few of the touristy spots. To be honest, I haven't even taken Dylan around, so I think this is a perfect day. So I decided, let's vlog, let's just show you guys as well what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. So we've currently got down at the St. James Park station and heading towards Westminster Abbey. So that will be our first tourist spot for today. I've been here before, obviously, but I don't think you have been here, no? So tourist day in London. It feels almost weird because I've been here really long. I don't think I should call myself a tourist, but I can be a guide, I think. So we're gonna do Westminster Abbey first and hopefully click some really nice pictures. It's not a sunny day, it's really cloudy today, but the weather forecast says no rain. So I think that's great, because if it rains in London, it's really annoying.
This building, guys, listen. This painting on this bus was made by none other than Michelangelo. You can see around the tires, he painted it. He was so futuristic, guys, in 1700s, 1800s, 1600s, whenever he was so futuristic that he painted a bus when there were no buses. Come on, that has to be something.
This is going on the vlog, and when he's fine, he's gonna realize that it's on YouTube, yeah? Tourists in London, guys.
Hey, shut the fuck up. Go back to your own country, man. My
So-
friend's name is also Abby.
So we
My friend's name is Abby. She was in charge of this place. You see? 1 minute. Can you flip the camera?
okay, wait.
On top of that statue thing, that's Abby. That's my friend. She's from Chennai. Velachery. Okay?
Okay.
Just that I'm hidden.
Planish, please tell us about your hidden talent.
Okay, so that is Big Ben. If you look carefully, you can see Big Ben. That is the 5 Bens were there. 5. Okay? This is the biggest Ben of them all. Yeah. That's the biggest Ben. That's Dylan. His Ben is not that big.
So we finished the Westminster Abbey and the next stop is Big Ben. The good thing is the tourist spots here are really close by, so you get down at one train station and you can just walk around and see everything. Also, Planish got a random Scottish bagpipe player and click pictures with him because that's just him. But okay. We're just gonna walk around. There's a lot of tourists today. It's not rainy, it's not gloomy, so I think there's a lot of people around. So wait, the aim of today is to find Planish
Yeah,
good
so-
Instagram pictures of London.
See. These are 4 people are here. Their whole purpose in life for today is to get good pictures of
Come,
me.
let's go.
That's it. There's nothing else.
He wants Instagram
They'll
worthy
get a-
pictures to say he had come to London and he's
They
seen all
get a
these.
certificate. I print them a certificate for their.
Certificate is not valid anywhere, but okay. So we're just trying to find a good location to take the picture of Big Ben, and let's see if we succeed.
Whatever, you have to defend. You have
The
to
log
justify
of where I am there. For that only the comments will be like for this. This is why. This is why Indians shouldn't get out of the country. This is why Indians are, spoiling the name of the country. Things like this. Because
What
of
did
vlogs
her
like this.
vlog do to make you say that comment?
Her vlog did not do it.
Flanish did it. Flanish.
Hey.
Mike.
दोस्तों आज हम यहाँ पे आए हैं बिग बेन के सामने खड़े हैं हम दोस्तों. बिग बेन, ये वो बिग बेन है जो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा बेन है. ये लंदन में है मेरे दोस्तों, लंदन में.
But Gandhi has got a good view.
हाँ, गांधी जी भी हैं यहाँ पे. इन्होंने यहीं से दोस्तों हमारी जंग शुरू की थी. इंडियन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस यहाँ पे शुरू हुआ था. सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह यहाँ से शुरू हुआ था.
यहाँ से
वो
इंडिया
चल
तक
के गए थे. इंडिया से यहाँ तक वो इंडिया चल के गए थे. अभी देखिए वो कबूतर गांधी के टकले सर पे खड़ा है दोस्तों.
You're not in India, so
Yeah,
it's
so
fine.
it's fine.
गांधी के नाम पे लालचंद लगाता हुआ ये आदमी पकड़ा गया है बिग
मैंने
बेन
कुछ
के
नहीं
पास.
किया, कबूतर कर रहा है. कबूतर.
You, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Before you were there, I was there. Okay.
So if you've ever come to the Big Ben, you know there's like a lot of places where you can find good like angles to click pictures, and we've been just trying to get the perfect angle for
It was
for a picture. Taken few from far, but we're trying to find like somewhere closer. Yeah, like a good spot. This guy, guys, गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को. दोस्त की फोटो. When you're taking your friend's picture, I saw how much effort you put into that. And when he has to take my picture, he cringes and he's like, well, I take good pictures, but your face is the problem. Look at this face. Is this face a problem? I don't think so. Please.
Why is it a not gate? Why is it in the or an and gate?
no. Some of these gates, they go up like.
So you can see behind me, that's the Big Ben. We got like really cool pictures around, and we're gonna head to the next spot that is this boy. Anyway, we're gonna head to the next spot, which is London Eye, which is just across the bridge. So let's go. Quite a lot of tourists today. I think it's because it's not raining. But yeah, it's always nice to go around and like.
No. Are you sure? This is my gift to other people. And it's 6 for 10. So I have to now find 6 people to give it to.
So we got a good place to click pictures with the London Eye. And we're heading for lunch.
It's a scam. It's a scam. There's no eye here. There's no eye.
This is what happens
Response.
when you don't know what to
Wisdom has
say.
been chasing you, but you are faster.
So we have walked from Westminster Abbey, then we did Big Ben, we did London Eye, and we're here at the Trafalgar Square. Currently there's a march going on because of the Free Palestine movement. So there's a lot of people here, but we managed to get like a few pictures, and we are gonna head to, I think we're gonna go to Covent Garden. I don't know if you can hear me. Let's see. So that's our plan next, Trafalgar Square.
It's very interesting. That guy is shooting water out of
A dolphin.
a fish, a dolphin that he's holding. A level of creativity that shouldn't exist.
You want to bring Michelangelo into this?
No, he was there painting buses and all. He doesn't know all this.
So we've just seen the Trafalgar Square, and we've shown Planish, obviously, and he's upset about the fountains and everything. But we're gonna head to lunch. It's almost like it's past 3 now. I think we're gonna have some Indian food because he misses Indian food. So I'm taking him to the most overrated place in London. We're going to Dishoom. Actually, I personally feel like Dishoom is really, really good. For the people who don't like Dishoom, well, I don't know what to say. But I just saw somebody walk around with a Ferrari jacket, and I was like, I should have worn my jacket. Absolute regret. We are not representing our team in public. I posted a video of us on TikTok where we show that I am a Ferrari fan and he's a Red Bull fan. And somebody said, I think it's grounds for divorce. And well, it's 2025. F1 season is starting in March. Dylan, what are our plans?
Keema pav. Vada pav. Chili chicken.
Samosa.
No, that's okay. Chole puri halwa.
Pretend I don't know.
कितना भी वेट करना पड़े मैं खुश हूँ. देसी रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर गोरा खड़ा है, ऑर्डर ले रहा है, लाइन मतलब लाइन मेंटेन कर रहा है वगैरह. दरवाजे के बाहर गोरा खड़ा है. गांधी जी ये दिन देखते तो कितने खुश होते. सोचो तो.
40 minutes wait. We finally got inside the shoe.
It's like keema. The pav is what I'm excited for. I give it a 7 out of 10.
So this is the vegan vada pav. I mean, pav bhaji. And I've had the vegan vada pav. The vegan vada pav was amazing. Tasted very buttery and the chili was amazing as well. This is the
Moment. The vada pav was probably the best vada pav I ever had in my life. But top 5 for sure. But then it might be because I'm hungry.
So, the pav is okay. Yeah, but
Will dip my pav in your coffee, please. Please.
yeah, that's
Just a minute. I'm taking only one bite, but I want to do it right, okay? I have not had this thing in 2 years.
better. Is
That much better than this.
Guys, so we were just entering Chinatown,
Okay,
and if
1%
you've
one
seen,
okay.
can you not? We were just entering Chinatown. We saw the W Hotel. If you've seen the reels on TikTok or Instagram before, on the first floor of W Hotel, there's a photo booth where you can get free pictures. We randomly entered, and we are doing a photo shoot, a proper photo session. We've already got like, yeah, that many, and we're still going for more. Frame one picture. Yeah. Next person. Go.
The camera is, I'm just like, up, down.
I have to look good. I don't know. So if you want to follow the reel and actually do it, you can. That's how we all got in. I mean, like, देखेंगे अगर बाहर फेंक दिया तो फेंक दिया, नहीं तो क्लिक कर
इज्जत
लेंगे.
तो हमारी कुछ है नहीं. Guys, we found it. W के नीचे 10 करोड़ हैं. We're tired for today. We're done for the day actually. I'm supposed to work tomorrow, so it's like, what is it? 7:30. Yeah, my battery is low now. Because I'm just like, I need to get up tomorrow. I can't do this anymore. I can't have fun.
So I think we're gonna call it a day. We're on our way home. But it was fun. How did you like
It was fun. We're gonna continue the party at home.
Namaste.